back with another video. Yes, I know, no excuses. Last week I missed out on uploading a video. We just had a family member pass away last week and we're just busy with the funeral preparations and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm back this week and yeah, as y'all can see with the title below, I'm doing some weird food combinations and I'm pretty excited. You know, these people have some weird taste buds. I found some weird combinations online, and also this YouTube video. I was watching Adrienne Bailon. She was doing these weird combinations of food that she really enjoyed growing up. Well, you know, that broke life where you just make any food that you can when you're hungry. But yeah, I'm gonna try some of her stuff and some other stuff that I found online. And I'm also gonna show you guys how I eat certain foods like Kit Kat. Yeah. So there's a lot of peanut butter involved. A lot of people have managed to make weird food combinations of peanut butter, like peanut butter and rice. Never had that before, but might be nice. Peanut butter and rice crackers, my new favorite thing, but I'm gonna show y'all how good it is. Shapes with Philadelphia cheese. It looks like tofu, but it's Philadelphia cheese. Barbecue sauce with rice crackers. It's just crazy. One really weird one. Tuna and mayo in a sandwich with cordial. That's really weird. I'm gonna dang. Peanut butter and sorry guys. Peanut butter and gherkins, pickles, basically. And Tim Tams with Milo. If you guys haven't used Tim Tams as a straw before, you're missing out. Well, I'm missing out too. I haven't actually tried it. Everyone's been telling me to try it. It's just like a normal New Zealand thing, I guess. And noodles with cheese. I just realized that was a normal thing. I've never tried noodles with cheese before. My mom is loyal. She drained out the water and she added cheese on top. It looks so good. Y'all can't see it because the light's so bright. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna start off with decisions. I guess I'm gonna make a sandwich with the, can you hear that? So I'm gonna start off with making a sandwich with the tuna and mayo, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay guys, let's try this tuna mayo sandwich in cordial. Oh, rara, whatever you guys use. I'm just gonna have a normal bite. Reminds me of primary. Can y'all see it? Mom, do you want to try this?
Okay.
This is not too bad, guys. Mom's sitting over there bowling. Oh, yuck. Tuna fell in the cordial. Now I'm gonna try the cordial tipped into the tuna and mayo. She actually did this. Her name's Adrienne. I'll put it in the description box below, guys. The video that I'm talking about. Okay, this looks all sorts of messed up. I don't know if y'all be able to see it. It's better when it's just in the sandwich. It's not nice when you tip the cordial and the tuna and mayo. But let's go to the next video. So I got some rice here in a little bowl, and I'm gonna add some peanut butter in it. Okay. This basically tastes like peanut butter on rice crackers. It's nice. It tastes like diabetes to me. Now, some of my friends at work that I used to work with, they used to always come to work with rice crackers and peanut butter. I didn't like it at first, but man, after a while I just started getting used to it. It tastes so bomb, bro. It's delicious. This is bomb. Peanut butter and rice crackers, guys, just plain rice crackers.
Peanut butter with pickles. Get on it too much. Harder. Oh, it has too much peanut butter.
Interesting. It tastes really like
Eco.
I don't know, it's a really messed up taste, guys. I don't even know how to explain the taste. Yeah, so I'm gonna try noodles with cheese. I've actually never tried noodles with cheese before, so don't come at me. I reckon the cheese would be good on like meagering noodles. Oh, we just use mozzarella, so it doesn't really have much taste. It's just really stringy. We are going to try. Mama B's in the back. She's trying to hide from the camera. She's not very good at it. So I'm gonna try some dessert. Oh no, actually. How rude of me. I'm gonna try shapes with Philadelphia cheese. I've tried it before. I don't know if it's a weird combo. I don't know if it's normal. But me and my mom, we came up with it, or did we find it on? Did you find it? Yeah, my mom just came up. My mom's like bougie ass. Like she likes crackers with cheese on. And tomato. And you know, we'll probably be the only brown family that did that in Otara, where we used to stay. And people will come over, like my cousin, to be able to have some. We're just like, can we have some real food? But yeah, so my mom started this Philadelphia and shapes. I don't really like shapes at all. I don't like any flavor besides the bacon one. Bacon and something. The pink box. We have pizza shapes with Philadelphia. I'm telling you, it's bomb for a movie night or something like that. Oh, Chipotle. Right, next.
So I got my Milo here. 3 tablespoons of Milo and half a tablespoon of sugar, or half a teaspoon of sugar. I know a lot of people like to make their Milo taste very watery, and I know you're trying to save Milo, but I mean, dang.
So just the normal original Tim Tams. I don't like Tim Tams, guys. Probably why I've never tried this before. So, okay. You bite both ends of the Tim Tam off. This is not weird foods. I don't know if it's weird foods. I don't know. So once you've bitten both ends off, you use it as a straw and suck, like, drink the Milo through it. It's supposed to be like a straw thing. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Bro, I didn't actually think it was gonna work. That's insane. That is the weirdest thing, man. Wow. Yeah, whoever made this, thought of it, y'all are woke as fuck. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I eat my Kit Kat. So I eat the chocolate first. This is what Adrienne did and I was like, I do it too. Let me come closer for y'all. So I eat the chocolate first. I do this with Ferrero Rochers too, cause I can. Alright, this is getting heavy. Okay, this is not going to plan, but usually there's chocolate on the end. Usually I just eat the wafer after that like that. But unlike Adrienne, she eats it layer by layer. But I just eat the chocolate first and eat the wafer like that. But yeah. This is what oh, I just jammed my toe. Yeah, I just jammed my toe. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Yeah, this is the mess afterwards. And don't come at me for not eating all my Tim Tams. I hate Tim Tams with a passion. But with an exception of doing this video, I ate it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to go try these weird ass combinations that are actually really, really good. Hopefully I can do a part 2 when I find more weird combinations. And let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Ka kite ana! Oh! I forgot to bring up the fact that I have like around 194 subscribers. Oh my gosh, we're almost at 200 guys, so help a sister out and get my subscriptions to 200. We're 6 subscriptions away. Help a sister out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for coming back to watch my videos. And if you're new here, you know the go. You know the go. Don't forget to click the bell, wherever it is, the bell down below, to keep posted on when I upload my videos ASAP Rocky. Me and my family just want to share our deepest condolences to those that have lost their family members, you know, beautiful young kids, adults that have lost their lives during the Christchurch shooting that happened yesterday, on Friday. So yeah, deepest condolences to everyone out there, and for anyone that needs to, you know, open up about it and share their thoughts or need someone to talk to, I am here. Just talk to me through the comments, or, you know, talk to me through my Instagram, which would be down in the description below if you guys need anyone to talk to. And basically about anything. It doesn't have to be about the Christchurch shooting or anything. But yeah, I'm here for you guys and I love you guys. You guys give me that support and I want to give you guys that same support. So thank you guys.